Hello, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's open the quick panel first. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice. And here we have screen record option. Tap on the icon. You will see this blinking icon right here. That means that the recording started. Let's do something on our screen. And to stop the recording, simply tap on this icon right here, like that. As you can see, it says the recording was saved. Let's go to Photos. We have Screen Record album. Let's tap on it. And here we have our screen recording. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.